In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Mailchimp subscriber list to Kit email marketing. Once you are on your Mailchimp account and you have successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to Kit. Now, once you are on the dashboard of Kit and also have your account, simply head over to the top bar. This will be the navigation menu. On the left-hand side, you want to click on the drop-down for Go, and below Grow, you want to click on the first option, which is Subscribers. Now, once you are on the subscribers section, you will automatically see that you can import your subscribers from Mailchimp. Mailchimp will automatically be suggested. So from here, it will ask us to create an API key. Now, to create an API key, head over back to Mailchimp. From here, you want to go to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the drop-down for your profile. Now, below your profile, click on the third option, which is Profile. That will take you to the settings section. At the top, click on the fifth tab, which is Extras. And below Extras, click on API Keys. Now, once you click on API Keys, if you scroll down, you will automatically see your API keys. So from here, simply click on Create a Key, which is above the cracked egg. And on the API key name, we will name this as Kit Email Marketing. Now, you need to add a descriptive name for this API key, so you know which application uses that API key, and you want to do different keys for different applications. At the bottom, click on Generate Key. And once you have that, as you can see, you will now have your key. At the bottom, click on Copy to Clipboard. And you want to make sure that you have this key somewhere within your notes or somewhere to store, because whenever you click on Done here below, you will lose this key and you won't have another way for you to look at it again. So at the bottom, click on Done. And once you have your API key, if you head over back to the key section, you will automatically see that we have Kit Email Marketing. Now, the next step is to head over back to Kit. From here, you want to simply click on the tab for API key, press on Ctrl-V to paste the key, and at the bottom, click on Start Mailchimp Import. Once you do that, it will automatically import your list. And once it has been read, as you can see, it will say, "Nice work, we are importing your list." It will take some time. And while you wait, you can explore some of the things you can do within Kit. But once the list is done, it will automatically be added within your subscribers list. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.